Hi, this is Silval from me and my friend Will.
Hey, how you doing?
I've got into, well, we're not quite in, but we've got the other side of the fence.
Yeah, we've just slid under this thing.
Factory, we've got in under there. You can see that. So we're going to make our way into the factory now. That's what it looks like. We've made it this far, but there is wood blocking our way. I'm pretty sure the last people who came in here got in through that bit there. And then we were supposed to find a way in through there, but I don't know if we will be able to. It all seems to be fairly locked up now.
Spoiled sports.
It's a real pain. We've made it this far. What do you think? Do you think we should go in?
I think we should at least clamber over.
Yeah. Okay.
Get as far as we can.
Here you go. Like a monkey. We can hear sirens. Fun, fun.
I'm sure they wouldn't put sirens on for us, would they?
I don't know.
It's getting closer.
Shit.
We're fucked.
It's heading away. Oh, thank God for that. Now we're in here, we can try and figure out a way in. Now there was a gap in the wall there. I think that's what the guy said. We're looking at all this wood, and some of it is newer than others. But I hope you didn't mean that was the gap.
Excuse me, French, but
No. I don't think it leads anywhere anyway. Now we're in here, where do we go? We'll find a way.
remove this brick. See if there's anything behind there.
Some kind of weird clamp up there.
Yeah, vice.
Vice President.
Right, got better than the fucking actual brick.
Oh, I'm screaming inside. I'm screaming inside. It's like we got under the fence. We climbed over that bit there. We made it all the way and we can't get in. Well, I'm sad to say we couldn't get in because we were stopped. That didn't stop us. The other fence didn't stop us. But this stopped us. Right here.
Yep, as we say in England, bollocks.
Yeah, bollocks to all of it. So, yeah, never mind. Been trying to get into this place for years. Yeah, it's really sturdy as well. Don't know what it is, but you know.
Yeah, it was quite flat until we started trying to...
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway. Well, probably my first failed urban exploring where I've managed to get halfway in and not completely.
See, I'm bad luck.
You're not bad luck, but this is the second time we've come here, and the first time we didn't even know how to sort of go over the fence. But we might not have been able to get in then either, you know. We actually went under the fence. They didn't think about that, did they?
Slip and slide, boy, slip and slide.
Except getting out is going to be a pain because obviously
Yeah, we can't see who's out
we
there.
can't see. No, they're just going to see someone sliding out from under the fence. Yeah. Oh well, I guess it's time to leave. So.
Alright, see you again if Laura brings me along for another adventure.
I definitely will, especially if the Libe Hotel's still up for exploration. Just go back there all the time. There's no abandoned places around here. Oh look, a bone. Someone
Dun
died.
dun dun!
Oh my god!
It's like a baby bone, mate.
The baby femur. Baby thigh bone or something. It's probably chicken bone, but shh. Don't ruin the fun.
We should do like Ouija Mac and crush it up and snort it. I'm sure he doesn't do it for real, but there's a song.
Yeah.